Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 Electra Glide Limited in color black quartz with a pinstripe. This bike comes with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine and a 6-speed transmission. Also comes with a lower fairing, highway pegs, hard lockable saddlebags, tour pack, luggage rack, premium audio, cruise control, heated grips, GPS, and 28,980 miles. It's in amazing condition. If you have any questions about this bike or you want to take it for a test ride, give us a call here at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.